Krista. I build actuators and I build Sho-Flows. So I started out in Sho-Flows, building the boards on the Sho-Flows with the magnetic coils, and then I ended up building, being trained in actuators and doing the boards for that, and so I love doing that. Everything starts from start to finish. So I have the housing, and then I have all the pieces that close up the housing. There's a cord that you have attached the board to, and then the motor that actually attaches to the board as well. So it's a lot. Well, when I first started, I never have soldered in my life. And I didn't even know what soldering was. And my first day, they had me soldering. And that's huge in my book. Working in a clean and safe environment, and knowing that that product that we are building is going to the firemen to help them basically safely and efficiently go home to their family. It's amazing. It's amazing what we build. And we are constantly building new things to help the firemen out there.